Hello children, this video we will solve revision questions in chapter square and square roots. The first question, what will be the unit digit of the square of the numbers? So first take the unit digit of the given question. So here it is 7. Now do the square of the number. 7 square is 49. So then look at the unit digit, which is 9. So the square of the number, the unit digit of square of the number will be, answer is 9. Same way, we have to find the unit digit of square of this number. So take the unit digit, which is 8. Do the square of the unit digit, which is 64, out of which the unit digit will give you the unit digit of the square of the number. Next question. The number is not a perfect square. Why? Because if it is a perfect square, the unit digit will always end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Here the number ends with 3. So this number is not a perfect square. Next question. Squares of which number is an odd number? So first we take the unit place and we square it. When we square it, I get the odd number. The square number is an odd number. So the square of this number is an odd number. Then same way for the next question also, I take the unit place 6. I square the number, which is 36. But the unit place is 6. Therefore, this is an even number. So the square of the number is not an odd number. Next question. Without adding, find the sum. So without adding, if I want to find the sum of the natural numbers, it is given by a formula n square. Without adding, find sum of natural numbers is given by a formula n square. N is the number of digits. So here the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore n square is equal to 5 square. That would be 25. The next question. Express 25 as the sum of 5 odd numbers. So always we have to start with 1 and add the first 5 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. These are the first 5 odd numbers. When I add it, I will get 25. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. Next question. How many numbers lie between two square numbers? So the example square numbers are 25 and 26. I will represent 25 as n square and this is n plus 1, the whole square. So always the formula is there are two n numbers lying between n and n plus 1 number. So the answer is 2n. So n is the smallest number. So the answer for the first question is 2 into 25. So that would be 50. For the second question, 2 into 99. That would be 198. Next question. Find the square of the number without multiplication. So what we should do? First we have to split the number. Make sure that you split using tens. Split using tens. So I will split like 80 plus 6 or 90 minus 4. Why I use 90 minus 4 is find the square. So it is 86 square is equal to 90 minus 4 the whole square. So why is for square? Because 90, because I have this 10. So easy to multiply. So how I will solve? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square formula, which we have learnt in the factorization chapter or algebraic expression. So it will be 90 square minus 2 into 90 into 4 plus 4 square. So that would be 81,000 minus 9 8s are 720 plus 16. So this on solving 8100 minus 720 plus 16 will give us 7. Adding these two and subtracting give us 7396 is the answer. So the other question, how will I solve? For this I will split it as 70 2 square is equal to 70 plus 2 the whole square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That would be 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 2 plus 2 square. That is 4900 plus 280 plus 4. That would be 485184. That is the answer. Next question. Check whether the given numbers form Pythagorean triplet. According to Pythagorean triplet, in a right angle triangle ABC, consider the sides are A, this is A, this is B, this is C. So B is called as the hypotenuse. Always hypotenuse is the largest side. So according to Pythagoras theorem, it says that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the opposite sides. So if this is the case, we know 10 is the largest side, which is the hypotenuse. Then we have to prove 10 square should be equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64 and 10 square is 100. So both the sides we get 100. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So this triplet is actually a Pythagorean triplet. Next, find the Pythagorean triplet which when one member is 12. The three members in Pythagorean triplet are given by 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So now if you take, first let me try using m square plus 1 is equal to 12. But here m square will become 12 minus 1. So that is 11, which is not a perfect number. So I can't use this number m square plus 1. Then I will try using m square minus 1 is equal to 12. M square will be equal to this minus 1 and goes to other side. It becomes plus 1. So I get 13. Even m square is equal to 13. It's not a whole number. I can't use this. So the option of using 2m is equal to 12. M is equal to 12 over 2. That is equal to 6. So m is equal to 6. So if m is equal to 6, m square minus 1 is equal to 6 square minus 1. 36 minus 1, that is 35. Then m square plus 1. So m square plus 1 is 6 square plus 1. That would be equal to 6 6 are 36 plus 1. That would be 37. So the triplets are given by 6, 35 and 37. It is 12, 35 because 2m. 2m is equal to 12. 12, 35 and 37. Next question. Find the square root by prime factorization. So prime factorization, what is the meaning of prime factorization? I should do LCM only using prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, using only the prime numbers. So here, since the number ends with 2, ends with 4, I use the 2 table. 4 2s are 8, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, 0, 2 2s are 4. Again, we do this. It is 2 table again, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 0, 1. So here it is 2 4 0 1. It won't go in 2 table, 3 table also. We have to add all these numbers and see whether it is a factor of 3. 2 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. It's not a factor of 3 table. So I will check with 7 table. 7 3s are 21. 7 table, 7 3s are 21, 30. 7 4s are 28, 21. 7 3s are 21. So it is 3 4 3. Again this goes in 7 table. 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 343. 7 table, 28, 63. 9 7s are 63. 49, again 7 table, 7 7 1. So square root of 9604 is given by, I have to write under the square root all the factors, 7 4s, then pair the numbers, then for every 2 number 1 number will come out. So the answer is 49 into 2, 98. So the square root of 9604 is 98. Next question. Find the smallest number to be multiplied so that the perfect square, the given number becomes a perfect square. So the given number is 1008. So first do the LCM. In 2 table it goes 5 2s are 10, 0 4. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 2, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, it goes in 3 table, 2 3s are 6, 1, again 3 table, 7, 1. So the factors are, so 1008 is equal to, factors of 1008 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now try to pair it up. So here all the numbers are paired except 7. So 7 has no pair. So now we have to pair it. Try to pair 7. So for pairing 7 we have to add 1. We have multiply 7 with 1 more 7. So therefore the answer is 7. So 7 is the smallest number. So whichever number is left out, we try to pair it. That number becomes the answer of the smallest number to be multiplied. Next question. What is the smallest number to be divided so that the given number becomes a perfect square? So we first do the LCM. This one goes in 5 table. I try in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 0 again 5 table. 1 5 is 5. Then 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. Then I try the 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. 2 14. 2 7. So the factors of 280 are 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So here all the numbers are paired except 7 is not paired. I'll try to 7 to be paired. So for pairing 7, I use one more 7. So whatever number is paired, whatever number is used to pair, that becomes the answer. So 7 is the answer. So whatever number we use to pair the 7, that becomes the answer in multiplication. But for division, whatever number is left out, that is the answer. So whatever number which has no pair, that has to be the answer for division. In multiplication, we try to pair. So the number which is used to pair is the answer. For the division, whatever number is left without a pair, that number is the answer. Next, without calculating square root, find the number of digits in the square root. So here, how do we solve this is, first we know if you want to do the square root by long division, I pair it up. So for pairing, I will pair it with two digits. So this is how I pair. So you have to see how many bars are there. So here 3 bars. So the square root will have 3 digits. So here I also bar it. So we bar two numbers. So here also 3 bar. So again it is 3 digits. Here it is 2 bar. So it is 2 digits. This is how we solve how to pair without actually calculating. Or the formula given is, if it is 2 digits, for example, if the number is even number, then the formula is n over 2. So 4 over 2, 4 digits, 4 over 2, answer is 2. If it is an odd number, just look at the last digit. If the number of digit is 3, odd number. So this is number of digits. Number of digits is even, it is n by 2. If number of digit is odd, it is n plus 1 by 2. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. This is the other method. What I am doing is the other method. So again here it is odd number. So it is n plus 1 by 2. So it is, what is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So these are the two methods to find the square root without actually doing the division. Next, find the square root by division method. So square root by division method, we do the long division symbol, then we pair it using the bar, then I tell the square root table. So 4 goes in 2 times, because 3 square is 9, then 4, the balance is 3. Always the quotient is multiplied into 2, so that is 2 2s are 4. I place a digit here which also should come in the quotient. So I bring, before that I bring the 2 numbers down, it is 29. So here whatever number I multiply with 2, 4 I multiply here with the quotient also. So here is the 9. So that tells us which square number I should use. So 9, 3 square is 9. So try with 3. 4 3s are 12. No, I have one more 7 which gives me 49. So I try with 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 balance 28. So it is 7. So the square root is 27. Same way 1 2 9 6. I bar it the 2 digits. Then I use the square root table. So I use 3 because 4 square is 16. 9 balance 3. I bring these two down, 96. I have to bring it as a pair. Then always multiply the quotient into 2. So that is 6. So whatever digit I place near 6, that same should be placed in the quotient. So what is the digit clue given is here in the last unit. So unit digit, so it is 6. So 6 is given by 6. So I try multiplying with 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 balance, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. So the answer is 36 square is the answer. Then, how to do the decimal long division? So I put the long division sign, pair it up. So on pairing the whole number part, I do it from right hand side to left hand side. So on the decimal part, it is the left to right. So I do the normal square root table. It is 3 square 9 because 4 square is 16. 3, it is 3 dot. After that there is a dot. I bring 25 down. So then I multiply this 3 with 2, always 6. Whatever number I type here, right here after 6, I should write after 3 also. So it is 5 here. So 6 into 5. 6 5 into 5, 65 into 5 I will try. 5 5s are 25, so it is, I place 5. So the one main step which we should always remember is, one, using the square table. Second one, the quotient should be multiplied with 2, and also whatever digit we place near the divisor, we have to put it in the quotient also. That we should always remember. Then 7.29, again I first pair it. So here even though one digit is there, it's okay, we can pair. 29 I pair this way, 29. Then I do the square table, so it is 2 times because 3 square is 9. 4, 3, 2, 9 comes down. So multiply 2 with 2, which is 4. Whatever digit I place after 4, I place it in the quotient also. So it is 7 times 7 7s are 49 and 329 comes. So the answer is 2.7. So this is how we find the division, square root by long division. Then, now here we have a question. Find the least number to be subtracted from, a question is number is given to get a perfect square. So for least number to be subtracted or added, we do the long division. So 5607, I do the long division. Always for subtract, a least number to be subtracted or to be added, I do the long division. So I pair it up. Then I use the square table, 7 times 49. Remainder is 7. I bring the other 2 digit down, 0 7. I multiply this quotient into 2, which is 14. I have to fill the digit next to 14. So 7, nothing gives me 7. So I will try with the 6. So 146 into 6, 36, 3 balance, 6 was a 24 plus 3, 27, 2 balance, and 6 is 6, 8, 76, which is greater. So I'll try with 5. 5 is a 25, 2 balance. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 balance. 7, 25, still it is greater. So I'm going to try with 4. So 4 4s are 16, balance 1. 4 4s are 16, 17, balance 1. And 4 is 4, 5, 76. So now I subtract it. So I get a remainder of 31. So always the remainder is the number 31 is a remainder, that is the answer. So remainder is the answer. That is, the meaning is I have to subtract 31 from 5607 to make it a perfect square. So always 31 is the least number to be subtracted. So you can pause the video and you can check by subtracting 31 from 5607. You can check whether the answer you get is a perfect square. Surely it will be a perfect square. So always in the case of subtracted, the remainder is the answer. So the next question, what is the, find the least number that must be added to 1300 to get a perfect square. So 1300, as I said, to number to be added or least number to be added or subtracted, we always do the long division. So I do the long division for 1300. First pair it up, then I do the square root table. I take 3, I can't take 4 because 4 4s are 16, 13. So 4 balance, I bring the zeros down. I multiply the quotient with 2, which is 6. Whatever digit I place after 6, I should place in the quotient also. So the answer is 0. So I will try with 6 5 times. 25 to 6 or 30, 25. If I do 6 times, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 396, which is closer to 400. I use 396. So the answer is, when I subtract, the answer is 4. So we are finding the least number must be added. So that means 1036 square is less than 1300. So now we get a remainder 4. That means 36 square is not 1300. Then we have to find out what will be the next square. So what we do? The next square of 36 is 37. So again I repeat, children, the 36 square, if 1300 is a perfect square, or 36 square is square root of 1300 is 36, then I would get the remainder as 0. But I got a remainder as 4. They're asking what is the least number that should be added with 1300 so that I get a perfect square. So for that, what we have to do is, we have to find the next perfect square number. That should be 37 square. So what is 37 square? The 37 square is nothing but, if you multiply 37 into 37, or we do a logic of 30 plus 7 the whole square, we get 1369. So for 1300 to become a perfect square, the least number which should be added is, when we subtract these two perfect squares of 37 square minus 36 square, we get the least number that is to be added, which is 69. So the least number that is to be added is nothing but 16. How we get it? Whatever is the quotient, we have to find the square. If it is 36 is the quotient, we find 37 the next digit, square, then we subtract and we get the answer. Next question. In a right triangle, if ABC, find CA. So now we will name this as A, B, C. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. They are asking CA. So always if it is a right triangle, we use the Pythagorean triplet formula, that is Pythagorean square, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the opposite sides. Therefore AB square is 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 9 plus 16. So CA square is equal to 25. CA is equal to, this square when comes to the other side becomes square root, therefore it will be 5 centimeter. So CA is equal to 5 centimeter. Next question. Area of a square is 114 centimeter square. Find the side of the square. So area of the square is given by A square is equal to 144. Always remember, when the square comes to the other side, it becomes square root. So square root of 144 is, I find it by the long division, 1 square, then I bring 4 here. So 4, 1 2 is 2, then I multiply with 2, I get 44. So square root of 144 is 12. So 12 centimeter is the answer. So side of the square is 12 centimeter. So there are 2401 students in a school. The teachers wants them to arrange in rows and columns. This is row, this is column. Now they say rows and columns R is equal to number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then therefore I keep this as x. This also becomes x. So x into x. When I multiply the rows into columns, I get the total number of students, that is 2401. So x into x is x square is 2401. If I want to find x, the square when goes to the other side, it becomes square root. So now I find the square root using a long division. You can also try using prime factorization. So now here it is 24. I use 4 square because 5 square is 25. So it is 8. I bring this 0 1 down. Then I multiply 4 into 2, that is 8. Then I should get 1, which is given by 9. 9 9 81, 8 balance. 72 plus 8, 80. So the answer is x is equal to 49. So they are asking number of columns used is 49. So these are the division questions of the chapter.